Southwest 1380, if you're trying to get me, all I hear is static.
Southwest 1380 has an engine fire descending.
Southwest 1380, you're descending right now?
Yes, sir. We're single engine descending, have a fire number 1.
Alright, Southwest 1380, okay, where would you like to go to? Which airport?
Give us a vector for your closest. Philadelphia.
We're just flying 250.
Okay, heading 250. We're looking at Philly. Let's
Southwest 1380, roger, and stand by. Southwest 1380 to the Philadelphia airport, direct.
Direct Philadelphia, direct, Southwest 1480.
Southwest 1380, New York.
Southwest 1380, go ahead.
And Southwest 1380, understand, so there's a fire, you're a single engine for the fire?
Actually, we're no fire now, but we are single engine.
Okay, you are single engine now. Okay, so the next facility, I guess it's, can you maintain 11,000?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 1380 is going to maintain 11,000.
Okay, down to 11,000. If you would, have him roll the trucks. It's on the engine number 1, captain side.
Okay, thank you. Southwest 1380, contact New York Center 135.45.
3545, good day.
Southwest 1380, descend and maintain 6,000.
Southwest 1380 down to 6,000.
And when you get a chance, I need fuel remaining and souls on board.
Okay, 149 souls on board, 5 hours of fuel.
Thank you very much.
Roger.
Southwest 1380, fly heading 090, please.
Heading 090, Southwest 1380.
Southwest 1380, can I get the fuel in pounds and the exact nature of the emergency, please?
Engine severe damage, engine failure, and exact pounds of fuel, 21,000.
Thank you. Opposite 1380, fly heading 090, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, heading 090, Southwest 1380.
And Southwest 1380, you going to go right in, or do you need extended final?
Extended final.
Thank you. So 1380, contact approach now on 128.4.
Southwest 1380.
Southwest 1458, you can expect an extended downwind. We have another fellow company airplane coming in that has an emergency that's pretty serious, so we're going to dump him in front of you.
No problem. We're running early, so do what you got to do, 1450.
Hey, join Erie there, maintain 170 knots, please. I'm going to slow you down.
Okay, Erie, 170 on the speed, Southwest 1450.
American 585, also emergency for you, being landing in front of you there, so reduce speed to 170, get you right in as soon as we can.
Phone to 170, American 585, no problem.
Ever 3625, Philly approach, altimeter's 2974, expect the ILS 27 right, or, yeah, let's do 27 right, and you can maybe expect some delay vectors, so we have an emergency landing with a possible engine fire.
Copy that, Envoy 3625.
For right now, I need to keep you at your speed because you're not in my space, but once you hit Cedar Lake, go ahead and pull back to 190 knots and then depart Cedar Lake on a 330 heading.
Cedar Lake 330 to 170 speed, Envoy 3620, 190 speed, Envoy 3625.
190 is correct, yes.
We need a single channel, no more channel switching.
Plus 1380, you're on approach frequency 128.4. You're where you should be. Maintain 4,000. And do you need any further assistance from me? What type of final do you want? I heard short or long.
Yeah, we're going to need a long final.
Okay, I'm going to let you drive until you tell me you want to turn base, okay? So that'll be at least a 25-mile final. Longer than that, I'll have to do some coordination, but that'll be fine. We'll get that done for you. You let me know when you want to come in.
Okay, 20 is good, and we may need shorter here in a moment. Tell me the runway we're setting up for.
Okay, Southwest 1380, you'll be landing 27 left today. And you just let me know when you need to turn base. Right now, I only have one person in front of you, which is a Southwest, and I'm sure he'll pull off if you need to go right in. Southwest 1458, clear visual approach 27 right. Keep your speed up. I'd like to get you on the ground before I have to turn her base.
Copy that. Speed up, clear base shield 27 right.
Okay, center.
Southwest 1380. 1380, I got a 1458 on frequency. I just cleared him for the approach. Southwest 1380. I understand your emergency. Let me know when you want to go in.
Yeah, we have a part of the aircraft missing, so we're going to need to slow down a bit.
Southwest 1380, speed is your discretion. Maintain at any altitude above 3,000 feet, and you let me know when you want to turn base.
All right. Down to 3,000. 210 on the speed.
Absolutely. You just let me know anything you need. American 1894, descend and maintain 6,000, then reduce speed to 170.
Yeah, 6,000, speed 170, American 1894.
436.25, fly heading 040, and reduce speed to 170.
040, speed 170, Fox 436.25.
Mercury 4656, 10,000 Foxtrot.
Frontier 1052, Philly approach, altimeter 297, fly was 27 right. Southwest 1458, give me a best forward speed, please, and towers 18.5.
That's forward 855, 14.
Fair wing 714, direct peace out.
Direct peace out, fair wing 714.
Southwest 1380, like to start turning inbound.
Southwest 1380, just start turning southbound there. There's a Southwest 737 on a 4-mile final, will be turning southbound. Start looking for the airport. It's off to your right and slightly behind you there. And altitude is your discretion. Use caution for the downtown area. Advise you maintain at above 2,200 for the MVA.
Okay, could you have the medical meet us there on the runway as well? We've got injured passengers.
Injured passengers, okay. And is your airplane physically on fire?
No, it's not on fire, but part of it's missing. They said there was a hole and someone went out.
We'll work it out there. So the airport's just off to your right. Report it in sight, please.
In sight. Southwest 1380, airport's in sight.
Southwest 1380, you're cleared. Visual approach 27 left. 27 left and towers on 18.5.
We're going on 27 left. Switching tower. Good day.
Tower, Southwest 1380. Alright, 27.
Southwest 1380, runway 27 left, clear to land, wind 280 at 19, gust 25.
27 left to land, Southwest 1380.
Southwest 1380, right turn when you're able. You want to stop wherever you need to is fine.
Thank you. We're going to stop right here by the fire truck. Thanks, guys, for the help.